folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click all those buttons. Yeah, gotta say it before what do you call it? Video starts. Welcome to my channel. This is my Merry Christmas, Happy New Year video. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Hope you get lots of presents. Hope you get lots of trike parts, lots of tools, lots of unusual stuff and old things. And thanks for watching my channel. It's been 3 years. I got 1 million views. I don't have 1 million subscribers, but I don't care. I do it for fun, and I'm happy with it. And so basically, this is just a short little Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. I'm happy to have viewers, and I'm having fun. So I hope you all do have a safe Christmas, safe New Year's. Hope everybody's well. And I don't know. That's it, really. Not really a big, I don't have some Christmas special to whip out because, this is just me vlogging in the garage. I get vlogging and garaging, I guess. So yeah, I'll try to make this short. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Toodles.